In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make text uppercase in Figma. Start by opening your design in Figma so you can see the canvas and your layers on the left. Make sure you are in the Design tab on the right-hand side, since that's where all the styling controls live for the element you select. Next, click the text layer you want to change. You can select it directly on the canvas by clicking the text box, or choose it from the Layers panel if that's easier. When the text layer is selected, you'll see a bounding box around it on the canvas, and in the right-hand panel you should see its text properties appear under Typography. If you don't see those options, double-check that a text layer is actually selected and not a frame or a shape. Now, look to the right-hand panel for the Typography section. This is where font, size, line height, and other text attributes are controlled. To access the more detailed controls, click the Settings icon for Type Settings. It's located next to the Typography label and opens a panel with finer adjustments. This is the area that gives you extra control over how text is rendered, without altering the actual characters you typed. Inside the Type Settings panel, find the Basics section. Here, locate the option labeled Case. By default, this is set to as typed, which means Figma shows the text exactly as you entered it. Change this setting to all uppercase. As soon as you make that change, you'll see your selected text immediately switch to uppercase on the canvas. A quick note on what's happening behind the scenes. This is a styling change, not a rewrite of your content. Your original capitalization remains intact under the hood, which is helpful if you later decide to return the setting to as typed. It also means features like search, variables, and content updates behave normally, because the base text hasn't been permanently changed. This approach is especially useful for titles, buttons, or labels, where consistent capitalization improves readability and visual hierarchy. If nothing appears to change, confirm you still have the correct text layer selected and that you applied the setting in the Type Settings panel. Also remember this affects only the selected layer or layers, which is great for keeping control over where uppercase styling applies in your design. That's it. Thanks for watching.